Yes, you can actually build an AI business that pulls in over $300 a day without hiring a single person or even needing a shred of experience in business. But let's be real for a second. Most of them make money with AI videos, you see, are a complete waste of time. They're either pushing saturated ideas, telling you to become a coding wizard overnight, or just floating some vague theories that don't lead anywhere. This video is completely different. I'm handing you the step-by-step blueprint for 3 untapped AI businesses that are perfect for beginners and require almost no starting cash. You're going to see the exact tools to use, the clever way to land your first paying client, and a realistic look at which businesses is the most profitable. Without further ado, let's get to it. We're about to break down 3 very specific AI-powered businesses. For each one, I'll show you where the opportunity is, which AI tools you'll actually use, a step-by-step plan to get your first client, and then a no-fluff breakdown of how much you can really make. We're not talking about abstract concepts here. This is a practical playbook. By the end of this, you'll have a clear idea of which business model is the right fit for you and know exact first steps to take the second this video is over. The age of the AI solopreneur is here. The first business is the AI-powered content creation agency. This is the business model you can start today, right after you finish watching this video. It's the AI-powered content and marketing service. Every single business, from the dentist down the street to a massive online store, needs content. They need social media posts. They need blogs, articles, emails, newsletters, and ad copies. The demand is literally endless. For years, the only choices were hiring a slow, expensive marketing agency or juggling a team of freelancers, which is a total nightmare to manage. Both are expensive and inefficient. But this is where you slide in. You'll operate as a one-person, lightning-fast content agency. But you're not just a freelancer trading hours for dollars. You are a system powered by AI. Using a handful of powerful but simple AI tools, you can churn out high-quality content at a speed and price that traditional agencies just can't match. While they're stuck in meetings, you're delivering finished work. AI is your secret weapon, your virtual team that lets you handle the workload of 5 people all by yourself. Here is the 4-step blueprint to get this business off the ground. Step number 1. Niche down to stand out. Don't just sell AI content. It's way too broad. The secret is to become a specialist. Pick a niche and own it. So instead of offering generic services, you will provide AI-generated video scripts for, let's say, real estate agents, or AI-powered SEO blogs for tech startups. When you niche down, you're not a generalist anymore. You're an expert. This lets you command higher prices and makes finding clients 10 times easier. Step number 2. Master your AI tool stack. Your business is only as good as your tools, so you need to know them inside and out. But the good news is, you don't need dozens, just a few key players. For example, for writing, you lean on ChatGPT or Jasper. Make sure it's the latest version. For turning text into social media videos, tools like Pictory or InVideo are amazing. To create videos with AI avatars, Synthesia is the gold standard, and for designing eye-catching graphics, you can use Mollypix. Your job is to get so good at prompting these tools that they produce content that's 90% perfect. Then you come in and add that final 10% of human touch to make it truly shine. Simple and easy. Create irresistible packages. Stop charging by the hour. It penalizes you for being efficient. Instead, you're going to sell monthly subscriptions packages. For example, a content starter pack for $500 per month could include 15 social media posts and 2 SEO optimized blog posts. A video growth pack for $1,000 a month. You could offer 10 short form video scripts and the AI generated videos to go with them. This creates predictable recurring revenue, which is the holy grail of any business. Step number 4. Land your first client with a free taste. Don't just tell potential clients how great you are. You show them. You can find a business in your niche you'd love to work with. Then use your AI tools to create a piece of content for them, completely free by the way. Maybe it's a sample blog post, a short video, or a week's worth of social media posts. Send it over with a simple email like, "Hey, I specialize in AI-powered marketing for your industry and created this for you as a demonstration. If you like it, imagine getting this kind of quality every single week. I happen to have a client spot opening up next month." What this does is, this move cuts right through the noise and proves your value instantly. The profit margins here are solid, but it's not free money. Your main hard cost is the monthly subscriptions for your AI tools. However, your biggest investment is time. Time to find clients and time to add that crucial human touch to the content. To hit that $373 per day goal, which is about $11,000 a month, you would need about 11 clients, $1,000 per month retainer. And with AI doing the heavy lifting, managing that workload is completely realistic for one person. Now, business number 2. The AI consultant and implementation specialist. This second business is for all you strategists and problem solvers out there. It's becoming an AI consultant and implementation specialist. And it has the potential for even bigger profit margins. But the problem is, right now, countless business owners are feeling a bit of panic. They see the AI tidal wave coming, and they know it. They know it's going to change the industry, but they have zero idea where to even begin. They're asking, which tools should I use? How do I integrate them? How do I train my team? They don't need another piece of software. They need a guide, a strategist who can show them the path. Lucky for you, you're that guy. As an AI consultant, you're not coding new AI from scratch. You're the expert who connects existing AI tools to a business's workflow to make them more efficient and profitable. Research shows that companies who get this right see massive gains, while over 60% of businesses investing in AI are still struggling to get any real value. You're literally the bridge between complex worlds of AI and the practical day-to-day needs of a business. Here's the 4-step plan to become a highly paid AI consultant. Step number 1. Specialize in a business function. Just like the agency model, specialization is your superpower. Don't be a generic AI consultant. Be the AI for sales team specialist who focuses on tools that automate lead generation. Or become the AI for customer support expert who implements smart chatbots. Just pick one lane and become the best in it. Step number 2. Master professional grade AI tools. Your toolkit here is more advanced. You're not just making content, you're transforming how a business operates. For sales team, you'd master a tool like Clay, which uses AI to enrich data for hyper-personalized outreach. For customer support, you would become an expert in platforms like VoiceFlow or BotPress to build custom GPT-powered chatbots. Your value comes from knowing exactly which tool is the right solution for the job. Very simple. Step number 3. Develop your signature offer. Your foot in the door offer is the AI readiness audit. For a fixed one-time fee, anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000, you analyze a company's current operations and deliver a strategic roadmap. This report will pinpoint the top opportunities for AI, recommend specific tools, and project the return on investment. It's a low-risk, high-value offer that businesses are hungry for, and it often leads to much larger implementation projects. Step number 4. Find clients where they already are. Forget cold calling. The best places to find consulting clients are professional networks like LinkedIn and high-end freelance platforms like Upwork. Your profile needs to scream specialist. Your headline shouldn't be AI consultant. It should be I help e-commerce brands automate their customer service with AI. Then you reach out to decision makers, not with a sales pitch, but with a question that pokes at a pain point. For example, you can just say, is your team still spending hours answering the same customers' questions every single day? Well, there's an AI for that. Very easy. This model has incredibly high profit margins, often around 70 to 90%, because you're selling pure expertise. I mean, while it takes time to build the reputation needed, experienced AI consultants can charge anywhere from $150 to over $500 an hour. Hitting your $373 per day goal could come from just one or two smaller clients paying you $5,000 a month for ongoing guidance. The trade-off is that it's less scalable than a software product, but you can eventually package your knowledge into courses or workshops. Now we come to business number 3. The vertical AI micro-SaaS. Our third business is the most advanced, but it's also the most scalable. This is the path to building a real automated income stream. The problem is, general purpose AI tools are powerful, but they often don't solve the super specific, repetitive problems that people in niche industries face every single day. I mean, think about a real estate agent who has to write 10 unique property descriptions, or a lawyer who has to draft slightly different versions of the same contract over and over and over. They're stuck using generic tools for a very specific job, and it's a waste of time. You build a micro-SaaS, a small, simple software as a service that does one thing perfectly for one specific industry. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a coder. You can build it using no-code platforms that plug directly into powerful AI models like OpenAI's API. You're basically creating a simple, user-friendly wrapper around a powerful AI engine, fine-tuned to solve one specific annoying problem. Here's the 4-step blueprint to build your first micro-SaaS with zero code. Step number 1. Find a boring and repetitive problem. The best ideas come from boring industries filled with repetitive tasks. Go hang out in online forums for accountants, plumbers, or architects. What tasks do they complain about all the time? That's your goldmine. Let's stick with our real estate example. The soul-crushing task of writing property listings. Step number 2. Build your MVP with no-code tools. This is where the magic happens. You can use a no-code platform like Bubble.io to build your web app. Bubble lets you design a user interface with drag and drop tools, and it can connect directly to the OpenAI API. There are tons of tutorials that show you exactly how to set it up. You could build a simple site where real estate agents input a few details, for example like square footage, bedrooms, unique features, and your tool instantly generates 5 different beautifully written descriptions for them. Step number 3. Price for an instant yes. This is the most important part. Don't get greedy here. Your microsite should be an impulse buy for a professional. A simple monthly subscription like $29 or $49 a month is perfect. If your tool saves a real estate agent just a couple of hours of work a month, it's already paid for itself many times over. This low price makes saying yes a no-brainer. Step number 4. Launch to a niche community. Forget a massive expensive marketing campaign. Your customers are all hanging out in the same places. Launch your realtor description generator in a Facebook group for real estate agents or on a subreddit for realtors. Offer a sweet lifetime deal or extended free trial to the first 50 users to get some buzz and, more importantly, get critical feedback. This is the ultimate model for scalability. While it's not zero work, you'll still have to manage customer support, updates, and API costs. It is highly automated. Your profit margins can be as high as 70 to 80%. To hit a $300 per day or about $11,000 a month, you'd need about 228 customers paying you $49 a month. Getting those first few hundred customers is the hardest part. But once the system is running, you can scale to thousands of users with very little effort. This is how you build a business that makes money while you sleep. So there you have it. 3 powerful AI businesses you can start without a single employee. The AI content agency is the easiest to start right now. It has the lowest barrier to entry and lets you start making money very quickly, which you can then reinvest. The AI consulting service offers the highest profit per hour. If you love strategy and can build expertise in one area, this is the fastest path to a 6-figure income, even if it's less scalable. The micro-SaaS business is the king of scalability and true passive income. I mean, it requires more work up front, but its earning potential is virtually unlimited. My advice is to start with the AI content creation agency. It forces you to learn the single most important skill in this new economy: how to use AI tools to deliver real business value. It builds your confidence, your portfolio, and obviously your bank account. From there, you can easily transition into consulting or use your profits and knowledge to build your own micro-SaaS. The AI revolution isn't some far-off future event. It's happening right now. And these business models aren't just theories. While some big companies are still figuring out the AI strategy, solopreneurs are out there today using these exact models as leverage to build incredible automated businesses. The era of AI solopreneur has arrived. You have the blueprint. Now it's time to start building. And if you need any help in starting or scaling your business, there's a link in my description where you can book a free consultation call with our agency. We help businesses reach heights they didn't even think were possible through simple, powerful AI systems. My team and I help everyone from tiny one-person startups to small local businesses to companies doing millions to Fortune 500 brands that want to automate the entire department. Click the link in the description, book your free session, and let's build something serious together. Until then, see you in the next one.